వెల్కమ్ టు నివాస్ న్యూస్. మా ఛానల్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి. మర్చిపోకుండా బెల్ సింబల్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయటం మర్చిపోకండి. నల్లమల్లారెడ్డి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్లో ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పో అద్భుతంగా వివరించిన విద్యార్థులు. హైదరాబాద్. నివాస్ న్యూస్, ఏప్రిల్ 24.
Hello everyone. So we are batch 11 from Nallamala Reddy Engineering College. So we are doing a major project on the topic development of UI application for project management using C#. Now seeing a project title, you can note the name UI. What is UI? UI means user interface. Where in the title itself it explains that it is a user friendly application or a user interface application. And what is the main aim of this project? So coming to the main aim of this project, this application is mainly used for in the corporate sector. How it is helpful? Basically, this is a standalone desktop application. Means it does not require any Wi-Fi or any mobile data, etc. So this application can be installed in our laptop, and we can just access this application. So what is the main aim? We see many standalone applications, and in nowadays mostly we are using the culture of Wi-Fi, right? So how the standalone application works? We see many times the internet buffer, etc., wherein we don't have a proper network and proper connectivity, so we lose a lot of data, and sometimes we cannot submit our work in time. So due to that, we are proposing the standalone application where it does not require any internet. So that is the first advantage. Second thing is that what is the project management? Coming to that point, so in a corporate sector, we'll see many project directors or team leads or project etc., wherein they'll be managing 2 to 3 different projects. So that project data they'll be storing either in the form of Microsoft Office or Google Sheets, Docs, etc., or like manually they'll be writing in the books. So this is the culture which is coming from times. So this application, it is like a standalone application where we explained before, and this application is mainly in the format of a form. So where the user need to give the input and it stores the input, and whenever the user wants, he can open the application and he can see the output. So this is a block diagram wherein first we need to give the login. So in the login we need to give the username and password. After giving the correct credentials, the login page is correct. After giving the correct credentials, the main menu page is open. So
here it is a block diagram. Here these are the screenshots where first the login need to be needed. Here the credentials are like username and password should be given. If username and password is empty, then a pop-up box or a dialog box has been entered, like you need to give the username and password. If in the case we give correct username and wrong password, then we get a pop-up box like you need to give your password is wrong. If in the case we have given correct username and the wrong password, the password is wrong. And the login page consists of these 3 test cases. And next it is like main page. It is a main window which contains all the information what we need to doing in the project. Like it may contains like add, view, employee, user management, expenditure and demand. And these specific attributes may contain again 2 specific attributes. Like each attribute contains a specific function. For specific function, we need to give the user interactions by using GUI tools. And next it is like these 6 modules are there. So for add, it is like a project. Add project, expenditure category. In the same way for view, after adding all these data, this is the final output in view where we can view the total output. Like for project details, we have given like date, how much expenditure it has been cost, and what is the project title, etc. Like all the information. That information will be read by the XSD, and that XSD will be going to convert like XML, and in XML will be reading the data, and it will give like a tabular form which consists of rows and columns. The data will be viewed same as here in view module. And next it contains like same procedure for each and every attribute. It goes on, and next it is like close application. Here, after clicking on close, like we can close the application. Next, it is like I conclude that it is mainly used for project director or project head or for after adding fund details and everything. I conclude that it is a standalone application. Like it also converted into further future scope like web application, and it can be used as mobile application also. Thank you.
So we thank our college and our respected director ma'am for giving us this opportunity, and also our HOD Mr. Raju sir, and our esteemed director Mrs. Divya Nalla ma'am for giving us this opportunity. And also we have done our project at Defense Electronics Research Laboratory. So we thank our college for giving us opportunity to do our project outside our college, and also we thank our sponsor, and also we thank our esteemed director.